This is a very essential Chinese lesson because if you're in China, they probably speak faster than how you practice, which is why I really suggest you listen and watch Chinese media because they will speak fast. They are not going to be your Chinese friends or your pals who are going to slow down to make you feel better. And it's frustrating for them because if they speak fast, you won't understand. So they will naturally speak slow. But if you're in China, people don't know that, right? So here's what you do. If they speak too fast, tell them, you say, 慢一点. 慢 is slow. 一点 is a little. So slow a little. 慢一点. Or if you want to be more polite, ask them, 可以慢一点吗? 可以 is like can. 慢一点吗? So can we slow down a little? 可以慢一点吗? So 慢一点 or 可以慢一点吗? You can also say 稍微慢一点. 稍微 is like slightly, so slightly slower. 稍微慢一点. What we just learned before, 可以稍微慢一点吗? Or conversely, you could just tell them they're speaking too fast. 太快了 literally means too fast. Or 你太快了 you are too fast. Or 你说的太快了 you are speaking too fast. 你说的太快了 You could also say 请你说慢一点 but that's more like giving them a command. So I wouldn't go like that. Unless you're a teacher, like you're one of those like dumbass Americans who are teaching English in China, then you could tell your students 请你说慢一点 if they're trying to speak Chinese to you. But besides that, don't command people to speak, especially you're in their country, right? Be more polite about it. Okay, Jerry teaches Chinese out.